Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Arduino Due. So this is the next in the line of official boards output by Arduino following the Uno. So we're going to do a little unboxing and go over the main components of the board. So let's get started. So these boards cost around $50, but it should be a pretty good capabilities increase from the Uno, so it might be worth it. So what do we got here? Alright, we've got the board here. Also in the box is some just documentation that usually comes with all the boards. And as usual, we get some stickers too. So let's take a look at the board here. Oh. Alright, so let's talk about some of the components here. You'll notice on the side we've got two micro USB ports. The one closer to the DC jack. This one's referred to as the programming port, so this is used in the same way as the Uno, where you're going to connect your computer through this port, and it's going to provide power, and it's going to be the way you upload your sketches to the board. The second one is being referred to as the native USB port, so this is going to be where you're connecting some peripheral hardware to, say like a mouse or a keyboard, maybe a phone or something. And you're going to do it through this port. I think they both have the ability to do that, uploading sketches and connecting to other stuff, but the documentation I've read says that the two ports are used for those two things. So we've got the power jack. This is where the external power supplies are going to be plugged in if you go that route. We've got the reset button in the top corner here. Along the top row and side are your digital pins for inputs and outputs. Now there's 54 of these total compared to the Uno's 14, so that's a big step up. You can see now that there's a whole row of pulse width modulation pins for analog output, compared to the Uno's only had 6 of them. So what's different here with the Due also though is that these digital pins will only provide 0 or 3.3 volts as opposed to the Uno's up to 5 volts of power output from them. So you have to take that into consideration when making your projects. Over here are the indicator lights. Much like on the Uno, we've got our on LED, our L LED, which is connected to pin 13, and our TX and RX LEDs, which will light up every time you're transferring over some sketches to the board. Along the bottom here we've got our analog input pins. So this is going to allow you to measure voltages on the pins over a number of steps. And new with the Arduino Due is that you're going to be able to read in the voltages at up to 12 bits of resolution compared to the Uno's 10. We've got the microprocessor here, 32-bit ARM-based microprocessor, so it should be a big step up as far as processing power from the Uno. And over here across the bottom we've got our power pins, which you are familiar with if you have used the Uno at all. So it should be a pretty cool board to use. Capabilities wise, it should show some good improvements. So be sure to check out the link in the description below for a full written overview on what I'm showing here. And there we have it, the Arduino Due.